Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best eyelash growth serum that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the May Rose Eyelash and Eyebrows Serum Enhancer for long eyelashes and eyebrows. When looking for the ideal ways of keeping your face looking awesome, you need to treat your eyelashes perfectly. With May Rose Serum for eyelashes and eyebrows, it is now possible to enjoy an updated facial look. Unlike other products, this serum is formulated by experts to deliver sure results. Enhanced with premium ingredients, it offers organic lashes growth. Notably, it enables black and longer eyelashes which are noticeable when people are far. Well, unlike some products restricted to eyelashes, this one is safe even for eyebrows. For people with thin and weak brow and lashes, the serum is efficient in thickening and strengthening. Formulation entails soybeans, aqua and vitamin E which perfectly promotes hair growth. With soft and efficient application brushes, the serum is a great way to regain gleam in your face. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Chevelle Highly Effective Enhancer and Booster Eyelash Growth Serum. Chevelle Eyelashes Growth Serum is one of the reliable product that gives people back their smiles. It is a highly effective serum that boosts and enhances the growth of eyelashes and also boosts their look. Due to the professional formulation, this product thickens and darkens eyebrows, hence improving your look. Safe and certified ingredients are guaranteed to deliver unmatched results. As a result, this product is safe to skin and doesn't cause adverse reactions. Amazingly, the active ingredient includes hyaluron, aloe extracts, and panthenol. These compounds are known to stimulate hair follicles to facilitate hair growth. Additionally, not only the product stimulates hair growth but keeps the skin hydrated and nourished. To ensure the product is efficient, it is dermatologically and ophthalmologically certified. Above all, the serum is not tested on animals, meaning cruelty-free. Unlike other serums, applying this in your skin doesn't leave residues, hence no makeup remover needed. At number 3, we have the Aprillus 7.5 ml Eyelash Natural Lash Growth Serum. The Aprillus Natural Lash Growth Serum is a classic product that will give eyelashes great boost. It promotes thicker, fuller and darker lashes that are easily noticeable. This eliminates the need to employ fake lashes or eye pencils. Loaded with vitamin B3, it nourishes and promotes the production of strong hair strands. Also, with excellent cell-boosting ability, it promotes root cell as well as hair follicles. When thinking about the efficiency of this serum, there is no doubt it provides fast results. In fact, within 4 to 6 weeks, it provides real results. Unlike other products, this offers a great prolonged time of use. With large 7.5 ml, it can last for 6 months. This means you get real value for your money. Usage is simple as the formula is quick drying, meaning no waiting time for the serum to dry. At number 2, we have the VERNESO 100% Organic Eyelash Growth Serum H. The Vernesso Organic Eyelashes Serum is great for all people of all ages. This serum possesses great qualities that ensure you get perfect-looking eyelashes. Unlike other products that are full of strong chemicals, this has a gentle formulation that soothes and boosts skin quality. Containing only organic extracts, it has no fragrances, propylene and other chemicals present in other serums. Unlike many products that don't provide tangible results even after a long time of use. For Vernesso, it has real working ingredients. With the main component being castor oil, it is full of essential oils like omega-6 and other that improves hair condition. With every product scientifically tested, they do not test on animals. Furthermore, the serum is free from animal products. And finally, at number 1, we have the Faith and Grace Eyelash Growth Serum. Nourishes and restores damaged lashes. Are you determined to get long and healthy eyelashes? Don't let cheap products ruin your skin. The ideal way to solve this is investing in this Eyelashes Growth Serum by Faith and Grace. Apart from boosting their growth, this product restores damages lashes. Regardless of the cause of damaged lashes, the serum addresses them all. Be it weather, age or health condition, it provides all the essential nutrients for the growth of eyelashes. Notably, the formulation involves vegan components which guarantee high efficiency. The bottles used in packaging of this serum are sleek and comfortable. Moreover, the integrated brush is super soft and strong to allow precise application. The good thing about this product is a scientific formulation that ensures you get real results in shortest time. In fact, with this eyelashes serum, it guarantees results within 3 weeks for some people. Without prostaglandin, the serum doesn't burn, itch or irritate your skin. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.